BODMAS has an order, but two parts of that order work differently, and this is what most people miss. You already know BODMAS. Brackets, powers, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. But here is the key. Those pairs are equal. Most people think this. Multiplication comes before division. Addition comes before subtraction. That is not true. Here is the real rule. When they appear together, you work from left to right. Position decides. Let's see it. 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Left to right. Divide first, then multiply. Answer 10. Now the wrong way. Multiply first, then divide. Different answer. Wrong answer. Now addition and subtraction. 10 minus 3 plus 2. Left to right. Subtract, then add. Answer 9. Wrong way again. Add first, then subtract. Same numbers, different result. Here is the quick test. If they appear together, go left to right. Always. Let's bring it all together, step by step, left to right within each pair. Final answer, 8. Simply said. The symbols are equal. Position decides the order. Next, brackets and powers, and why they always come first.